That's a dirty table. That's better.
You're dirty.
Look how dirty that is. Ensure bottom of vise is clean. Carefully place on machine. Lightly tighten bolts on each side. Pull vise towards you to ensure that it is square. Mount the vise indicator. Ensure indicator is touching vise. If needle needs adjusting, carefully back the y-axis off of the needle and tap the vise and recheck as often as needed to see if it moved to where it's needed to go. Move x-axis back and forth until needle is constant. Adjust as needed. When your vise is properly indicated, it should look like this. Notice how the needle hardly moves as we move the x-axis. Now, oh so carefully, tighten down your vise. You have now completed indicating your vise.